Hi, it's me, Markov Yuri, and I will talk about the stomach growling sound effect from Everest. It's from a video called Everest Gets Diarrhea from Coffee. Vertical bracket GL vertical bracket dash diarrhea. It was uploaded on October 17, 2022, which is 2 years ago. The duration of the sound effect is 016 to 019. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. And before I test this sound effect, I will preview it. It sounds like this. See? This is how the stomach growling sound effect sounds like. This sound is only used when I'm hungry or when my stomach hurts. I need to use my tummy muscles. I feel so much better. Remember kids, when you're hungry, just use this sound effect. It starts at 016 and ends at 019. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end.